Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to use Google AI Studio. So let's get started. So the first step you'll have to do is to go into your browser and now search for ai.google.dev/AI Studio. From here click on sign in to Google AI Studio and make an account. Once logged in, on the top left hand side you'll see a get API key button. Click on it. Now you have to create your new API key. This is very essential for creating new projects and also adding new API keys to existing projects. Here it will also give you a pay as you go pricing structure of the Gemini API, so click on the link. Now here you'll be able to see all the pricing details. Now go back to Google Studio and click on create API key. Select create a new project for this guide. Now on the left hand side you'll see prompt gallery. Click on it. Now here you'll be able to get inspired by what Google AI can do. Here you can get many prompt ideas, so select any one of them and you'll get the name prompt. It will also give you some instructions below. So here you can give it specific instructions on how you want it to answer and also in what tone you want it to answer. For example, we can ask the system to reply in a specific length. For example, we can tell it to say respond in 10 words. Now on the right hand side of your screen you'll see the run settings of your model. First you'll need to choose between the Gemini models. Now here you can change the temperature, which also means how closely the answer is to your system instructions. So if you're planning to automating these requests, make sure to turn the temperature down to 0.2 or 0.3. You can also add a stop sequence and also go back to safety settings. Now just write the prompt and learn as you go. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.